Welcome to the IM channel. My name is Brian Mustafa, and I'm here to help you with one or two life hacks that will help you in your online journey. Today, we are going to talk about something simple, which is how to convert a Word document to a PDF document. Most of the times, we want to convert, we are done with our interiors, but we don't know how to convert that from Word to PDF. So I just want to take some time to show you three different ways that you can do that. And the first one is on the file itself, Word document itself that you're going to work with. So if you finish designing something in a Word document like this, you can convert it from here straight to PDF. And what you need to do is you go to the file. If you can see this, just go to the file and follow the steps. Click on the file icon, then you go to save as. So when you do save as, you see that the title will be there. Here on top of the bar, there's an address bar on top. There's also a search desktop. Here shows where you want to save the document. You can also click on any folder to save the document in it, but I just want it on my desktop. So desktop is selected. Then the name of the file is going to be there, will be highlighted. So that's the name of the file so that you can get it, identify it or find it anywhere you want to find it. Then where you do the trick is save as type. So the save as type is a box. You click on it, then you see a pop-up box will open up and you see different options. Save as Word document, Word template, XPS, web page, web text, plain text, and all those things. But it all depends on the version you are using. Some versions of Word documents or Microsoft Office don't have the PDF option, but this one has the PDF. So you just click on the PDF and it will automatically give you that instinct that is going to save on PDFs. And let's save it and see whether it will convert. So once we save, it's going to convert to PDF. So when you go to your desktop to find that file, you see a PDF copy of it. So let's see it here. So this is a PDF copy of that file that we're trying to money affirmation. So when we open it, we're going to see what we're doing on the Word document. So as simple as this, you have your PDF document. So you've converted your Word to your PDF document, as simple as that. But the question also comes in play when you don't have that plugin. What do you do? So we go to the next step. The next step simply means that we're going to, so if you have a Gmail account or you can get access to Google Docs, that will be helpful. So we'll go to, if you have your pop-up box open like this Gmail account, so maybe if you just go to gmail.com, it will open it up for you to follow the steps. Then what you need to do is you go to where your profile picture is. There's some 9 dots. Then you open the Google Apps. You see different apps here. Then what we want is the Google Docs. You see Docs, so that means Google Documents. You click on it, so it's going to open up. And once it opens, you can bring in export a blank document into it, or you can just even start working with this. I prefer that you use that to you work within this document setting, because once you start working, it saves the document into it. So you have your document, so you can create a document here. You can work on a document. Maybe let's type like what I typed earlier on. So once you are done, I mean it, you are actually a hero. You don't know, but you are a hero. If the people don't believe in you, I believe in you. You are my hero. I don't know you, but you are my hero. So you have a document, then you can change the text. So you can change the text size, the area, using area. Just going to change something that's you may like. Right. Then you are done with your document. You can change even the color and this and all those things, the font color and all that, make it more of highlight color. So we are done with our document. We need to convert it into what? A PDF document. So you go to the same strategy like Word, but you here, because it's online, you go to the download side. So once you go to the download, just move to the download, you see a PDF document, and here you can save it in different formats, even plain text, web page, EPUB for like ebooks and all those things. But we want PDF because the purpose is to convert Word to PDF. Then you click on the PDF, it's going to download it straight to PDF, which you can easily use. So you can see we have a PDF file here, which is good. So if you go to your downloads, you should find your PDF document here, because I chose my settings is download. So once you go on your download sites, you should be able to find your PDF. Okay, so let me do it, the latest one, date modified. So this is it. So we have our PDF document, as simple as it is. This is our PDF and we can work with it. We can upload it or send it to anybody we want. It's actually good if you are sending documents, you send them in the form PDF format so that people can change that. Then the third trick, or the third hack, is actually one of the biggest. So if you are on Google online, you can just go on to google.com and type in I love PDF. So there's a website called ilovepdf.com, but because you don't know it, just type I love PDF. Once you type in that, the first one actually that comes is I love PDF./online, whatever tools. So you can choose from here PDF to Word, JPEG to Word, but just go onto the website itself and you can see the magic or the wonders. You can merge PDF here, you can split PDF, you can. Our main aim is to convert Word to PDF. So you see converting, you come down here, you see Word to PDF. Once you just click on it, you select Word files. So I assume that a Word file will be on your desktop, on your desktop. Then we just pick one of the Word files, which is the money affirmation, and we put that in. So you see the document that comes, you see it, and you just go and click on convert. So once you convert, it's going to download the file and you'll be able to see it. So it's going to download it onto your system straight. You don't need to download, it will download on its automatically. So once it downloads, just open it and you have your PDF to work with. You have your PDF to work with, as simple as it is. So those are the three steps. One is the Word document itself. Two is Google Docs. And number three, I love PDF. I hope this one will help you. And I hope it will help you to overcome one or do one or two things that you were struggling to do. Thank you for your time. I believe in you and I appreciate you. But just subscribe. Help this channel grow. Subscribe to this. Subscribe and leave a comment. If you want me to do any video, just leave a comment and I'll do it the next day. Thank you.